treat yourself to a test drive in the 2013 Volkswagen Beetle. This two-door, four-passenger convertible offers the latest in technological innovation and style. Volkswagen made sure to keep road handling and sportiness at the top of its priority list. Under the hood, you'll find a 5-cylinder engine with more than 170 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. Volkswagen prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including one-touch window functionality, variably intermittent wipers, a leather steering wheel, a trip computer, a power convertible roof, and air conditioning. Volkswagen ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a security system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, Dynamic Stability Control supplements the drivetrain. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.